Jim Carrey's prayer ritual for dream manifestation. Did you know that Jim Carrey has a prayer ritual that helped him manifest his biggest dreams? Yup, the man who's made us laugh for years also mastered the art of manifesting success, and today, I'm going to share his secret. But let me tell you, it's not just about hoping for $1 million and sitting on the couch. There's something way deeper to it. In just a few steps, you can unlock your own dream manifestation power with this exact ritual. Stick around, and let's dive into Jim Carrey's amazing journey of dream manifestation. Alright, so Jim wasn't always the megastar we know today. Back in the late 80s, he was just another comedian trying to make it in Hollywood. Like most of us, he had big dreams, but things weren't looking so good. That's when he started practicing a little ritual that would change his life forever. So, what did he do? Every night, Jim would sit down, close his eyes, and visualize his dreams as if they had already come true. Now, this wasn't some vague, "Oh, I hope I get rich" kind of thing. No. He was specific. He would actually picture himself starring in hit movies, hearing the applause, and yes, even holding a check for $10 million. Yeah, $10 million. That's more money than I've spent on snacks my entire life. But here's the twist. It wasn't just about visualizing. Jim believed in acting like the success had already happened. He wasn't just daydreaming. He had faith in his vision and did the hard work needed to back it up. The combination of belief, prayer, and action was his magic formula. Don't worry. Let's just continue. Everything is okay. We'll just repeat and do this Jim Carrey ritual now. What do you think about this opportunity for your success? Leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me, do you like this Jim Carrey ritual? And do you want me to share this ritual with you and supplement it with even more powerful energy? Write it in the comments. If you want your mom to receive money luck too, write in the comments, "I love you, my mom." If you want to send magic luck to someone else, write, "I love you," name. Compared to the previous ritual, this one seems more natural and memorable. Okay, I took the time to explain this part because it is the most important. If you don't understand this, you will not achieve good results. Energy, faith, and intention are the main thing. This information and energy makes people watch this video again, which means you will be charged even more for success. If people watch this video, it means you are also connecting more to its collective monetary energy of success. Therefore, you need to understand this part very well. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and like. In order for you to this magical ritual go even deeper, I will add music to it with a harmonization frequency of 432 Hz, which awakens the soul as you like, especially for those who are not in the know. It expands not only consciousness, but also gives spiritual fulfillment. So, how can you tap into this magic? Let's break it down step by step. Set your intention. Like Jim, be specific about what you want. Don't just say, "I want success." Picture it in your mind. How does it look, feel, sound? Daily visualization. Take a few minutes each day. Sit quietly and see your dream. It should feel real, like it's already part of your life. Act as if. This might be the toughest one. Live your life as if your dream is already real. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how your mindset shifts. Trust and let go. Here's the Jim Carrey secret sauce. Trust the process, but don't stress over it. Manifestation isn't about obsession, it's about faith. So, plant the seed and trust it'll grow. And here's the proof it works. After years of practicing this ritual, Jim's career took off. And guess what? In 1995, he actually received a check for, wait for it, $10 million, just like he visualized. So, what do you think? Ready to try Jim Carrey's dream manifestation ritual? The next big success story could be you. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on meditation, manifestation, and mindfulness, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications. Together, we'll turn dreams into reality